Hey guys, it's been a little while since my first day at TIV, but we're going to walk you through what to expect on your first day. So I've got my gear and I'm good to go. Let's go have a look. So absolutely everything you're going to need to get started is in this kit. Nail bags. PPE is super important. You've got your earmuffs, gloves and glasses. So all I need to do is be dressed for the occasion, work boots on, because everything else that I need is right here in this kit. Most importantly, your building manuals. So that's all our gear. You get this no matter which campus you're studying at. Today we're here at Dandenong, so let me show you around. So this is one of our outdoor areas where you'll study all your framing, get to put up some full-size practical frames. The guys over here have done their bay window and all the subfloors are included as well. So not only do you get to study with the timber frames, they've also got the steel frames here as well. And next stage would be your stairs. And so some people don't realise that as part of your carpentry course, you also do concrete in, learn how to form it all up, get your rebar in and your seats so that you're good to go. So not only with the framing, obviously you're also putting in your window frames, all your bracing, and then come on inside. We've got the guys working on more framing in here, making sure everything's braced nicely. It's good and solid. How are you going, guys?
Good.
Here we've got our toilet facilities, lovely breakout area, plenty of microwaves for your ready meals so you won't go hungry. Everything here has a place so that it's nice and neat and tidy. Safety is paramount, so we're always getting reminded of all of our safety instructions up here on the wall. Come on through. In here our team are learning how to hang doors, architraves. They have to pass the slam test. And so saw horses is one of the first things that you make, learning all your hand tools, planes, all the perfect power tools, drop saws, your air nail guns, your Pasload nail guns, everything you need to learn your carpentry here. Welcome to one of our state-of-the-art classrooms. This is where the students will do the majority of their theory work. There's plenty of space here and we've got the screens up so that anything that we need to present can be up on the screens here as well. Go on into classroom number 2. Oh, sorry to interrupt. So it's not all practical, we do have to get the theory done, it's just as necessary, but at least here's a lovely place to do it. So that's our awesome campus here at Dandenong. We've also got Tottenham and most of our courses are also online. And just like that, I'm at our other campus here at Tottenham. Let me show you around. As you can tell, it's almost home time, everyone's cleaning up. But this is our Tottenham Campus where all the magic happens. This is a lovely place to hang out at lunchtime. We've got the kitchen in there, everything you need for your lunch. So this is where you'll get all your theory done, any units that need to be completed, all of your assessments will happen in here. And in here's the kitchen, fridge, microwave, sink, everything that you need. So this is site office, this is where all the trainers hang out, open door policy, ask them any questions that you want, there's always somebody around. We've got split level here at Tottenham, so plenty of room for framing. You've got your doors being hung at the bottom here, all of your lintels, windows and door frames getting framed at the top there. In the racks here we've got all of your trusses, all your framing material that you'll need to learn how to build frames. We've got Abby making sure everything gets put away in the right place in our toolbox. Everything's got a place and we make sure that everything goes back there every day. Another unit in our carpentry course is your concreting. So here's where you'll learn to form up your concrete and pour a beautiful slab. At the back here we've got all of our subfloors that the students learn to build and full-size roofing frames here. You'll do both basic and complex roof framing and everything is full scale, so it's exactly as it would be in real life. You know, safety first, so we do build them all down at ground height, so we're about 1 metre up, but everything you see here is exactly how you would frame a roof 2 metres up. What's wrong with that?
Nothing, it's done perfect.
That's because I did it.
Is it?
No, I didn't really, but it would be. If I had done it, it would be.
You said if it's not done perfect, you're doing it again.
Yeah. So there you have it. This is our Tottenham campus. You know where we live, you know what we're all about. It's time for you to get excited, reach out and start your new career.